Hello everyone, welcome back to Widerock Academy. This video is the continuation of the last video on APT, Advanced Package Tool. In the previous video, we discussed what APT is, its key features, the role of package managers in Linux systems, examples of Linux package managers. In this video, we will continue our discussion by exploring the essential APT commands that you can use to efficiently manage software on your Linux system. So let's get started with essential APT commands. First is update. So let's quickly run this command in a terminal. To do so, open up your terminal and then type sudo apt update, and here we go. The apt update command simply updates the local package index with the latest information from repositories. Its purpose is to ensure that the package manager is aware of the latest software versions and its dependencies. So let's move to our next command, upgrade. Then type y for yes. And this command simply upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions, whereas its purpose is to keep the system up to date. Let's move to our next command, which is install. Let's go back to our terminal. Type sudo apt install followed by the package name. For the demonstration purpose, I am using VLC as a package name. apt install followed by the package name simply installs the specified package along with its dependencies, whereas its purpose is to add new software to the system. So that's how you can add new software in your Linux system, by typing this command. So let's move to our next command, remove package name. Now type sudo apt remove followed by the package name. Again I am typing same package, VLC. This command help us to remove the specified package but retain its configuration files, whereas its purpose is to uninstall software while keeping user specific settings. So that's how you can remove package from your Linux system, but it will retain its configuration files. Let's move to our next command, purge package name. Sudo apt purge. apt purge followed by the package name completely removes a package along with its configuration files, whereas its purpose is to clean the software more thoroughly. Where we saw in remove command, we can remove the package but the system will retain its configuration files. But in case of purge, it will clean up the software more thoroughly. So that's the difference between purge and remove command. Let's move to our next command, search. Type sudo apt search and then type the query. So the apt search followed by the query searches for packages in the repository based on the given query. Its purpose is to help find packages related to the specified keyword. So that's the use case of this search command. Let's move to our next command, that is list. Just type sudo apt list. This command lists all the installed packages on the system, and its purpose is to check what software is currently installed. Next command is show package name. Type sudo apt show VLC. apt show followed by the package name displays detailed information about a specific package, including its description, dependencies, and version. Its purpose is to help understand what a package does and its requirement. So that's the use case of this command. Next is clean. Sudo apt clean apt clean simply clears the local cache of downloaded package files to free up disk space, and its purpose is to manage disk space by deleting old package files. So that's all for this session. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.